How to find Experian reference number. To find Experian reference number, follow these steps. First, go to the official website of Experian. Then click on Sign In button. Then sign in using your username and your password. Then from the dashboard, click on Reports and Scores section. Then click on Credit Reports option. Then click on Experian section. Then click on Here and select the time period of your credit report. Then click on Print Report option. Then click on Print This Page option. Then in Destination section, select as PDF. Then select the page's type. Then select the layout. Then click on Save and your report will be downloaded. Then open your Experian Credit Report PDF. And on top right corner you will see reference number. Thanks for watching.